Hi guys, welcome to Truth Teck. In today's video, we're going to learn how to boot any Windows on your Android phone. Without much ado, let's start. But first, we need two apps in order to do this. One is Limbo app and the other is Zarchiver. The Limbo app is the emulator whereby we used to emulate Windows on our phones. And the Zarchiver is the app that you can use to extract WinRAR files, zip files, or even ISO files. Let's start. First, I said we need what? Limbo. This is the app. Why I'm saying we need this app is that I said it's an emulator, but this app, when you go to Play Store and you download it, it crashes. So I'll upload this app. I'll upload the link below so that you download the app and try it. But when you go to Play Store to download it, it's not good. Then you need Zarchiver. This is the Zarchiver. Then when you go to Play Store, you get it easily. Then we need last thing, that is not in my application, but that's the Windows itself. But because I don't have much space on my phone, I'll be using Windows XP. Yes, Windows XP. This is my Windows XP. This is my Windows XP. This is the size of it, but I have an ISO file which is less than that. I'll upload the file and you go and download it and try it yourself. This is the file itself. This is the file itself. The size is 130 megabytes. So let's start. So after extracting this file, first you have to extract this file to this folder. First you have to install the Limbo app. After installing it, then you extract the file. This is the Windows file we need. So I've extracted it and I kept it here. When you install the Limbo app, it will create a folder whereby it will be called Limbo. So extract the Windows file, the Windows XP image file here. Machines, we just put it inside machines. After that, then we start with the real process. Then we open the Limbo app. Then we need to do some few settings here. First, when you open it for the first time, you just see this interface, which is something you don't have to be scared of. First, you have to just set it, which I made it with Windows XP. So with the Windows XP, you see that the Windows interface here is VNC. Just leave it default VNC. Then if with the architecture, if your processor is 32-bit, you change this to 32-bit, but my own is 64-bit. So I changed it to 64-bit. But the CPU, please, the CPU model, please leave it default. And if your processor cores are 4, you just change it to 4. Your processor cores, if they are 4, you change it to 4. And if this place is the most important place, RAM memory. I beg, if you have up to at least 1 gig of RAM on your phone, you just change this RAM memory to 520 megabytes. But if you have more than that, you can either change it to 1 gig. With the more RAM, more speed will be on it. Then where we have to upload the ISO file, you have to just come and mark this one. Let me stop. Just kind of mark this one. Then you say open. Then you open. Then you look for the location of where you kept your extracted file. So you have to put it under Limbo. So Limbo, then machines. As you can see, this is the XP. So you select on it and to mark for it. Then you leave everything default here. Then you just come and change this thing. This is the most important thing on the application. Boot from device. Mostly it's always default, but you change it to CD-ROM. If it doesn't work, you change it to hard disk. But I'll leave it on hard disk because the bootable ISO is on hard disk. Then you make it priority, so that high priority, so that all your processor and your RAM will focus on it. Then you make this one full screen so that it won't be in a small screen whereby you can't see. Then you change the orientation to landscape. Change the orientation to landscape. So after all the settings, then we start the CPU. Start the CPU. As you can see, yes, it's booting. It start to boot, but it will delay. But if you have time with me, you follow me, it will delay, because it is the first time we are booting it from. Yes, as you can see, Windows XP Professional. That is the ISO file that is on it. So when you do the settings and you get a Windows XP Professional, I'll pause the video so that, because it will take time for it to boot and come. So I'll pause the video, and when I resume, you will be on the desktop so that you can see it clear for yourself. Alright guys, as you can see, our welcome screen is showing, which means it is coming to load our desktop for us. So guys, that's how we boot Windows XP on Android. Please like this if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos coming up. Thanks for watching.